How to add a watermark and logo animation in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and import a logo or watermark image by dragging it into the media pool. Once it's there, drag it onto a new video track above your main footage in the timeline. Next, resize and position your logo using the inspector panel. You can move it to any corner of the screen by adjusting the zoom and position settings. This will act as your static watermark. Now, if you want to add animation to your logo, stay in the inspector and create keyframes. Go to the beginning of your clip and add keyframes for zoom, position, or rotation. Then move the playhead forward and change those values to set the animation path. DaVinci Resolve will automatically animate the movement between keyframes. If you want to fade in effect, go to the opacity settings in the inspector and keyframe the opacity from 0 to 100 over the first few seconds. Finally, once everything looks good, render your project by going to the Deliver tab and exporting the final video with your watermark and animated logo in place. And that's it. Now you know how to add a watermark and logo animation in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.